Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we can see like how we can find a particular document from the database. Okay, in my previous video, I have showed you like how we can create and insert a record in the database and how we can insert more than one records in the database. In this video, we are going to fetch some documents from the collection or the table. Okay, so how to do that? I'm going to MongoDB Compass first. So I think my screen is visible, and let me do it. Just a second. So this is my MongoDB Compass. Okay, and so this is my table. Those are the records which I have inserted in my previous video. So here I'm going to find something. Okay, so how to write a find command? So I'm going to use this MongoDB shell as I told, because this will give me the suggestion and that will be helpful for me. Okay, so db.employee info, and then I have to find so the first command, and then I have to give a first bracket, and then I have to give the second bracket. Okay, so what I need to find? So there will be three kind of find. One is find. If you give this and then colon, it will fetch all the documents. So it will fetch all the documents, means all the records from the particular collection or table. So you can see like Akash repeated two times, then B for Bimal, and then Chandan, and then all the records it has been fetched. But I have to limit this, right? I have to find any specific record. Suppose I'm going to find who is reading in the department of maybe instrumentation, or who is from computer science or civil. So how to do that? Same command. Okay, so here I need to modify. So how to modify? So I have to give second bracket, and I have to give the filter condition. So how to give that? So depart department, and I have to give maybe computer, science, computer science. So if I'll give this, you can see like it's fetched the record from the computer science, only one. So if we modify this, like maybe we can give mechanical. So you can see in the, if I give mechanical, it will fetch two records, because there are two students. There are single students who have inserted two records. So it's fetching all the records related to mechanical. Okay. So this is called find. So apart from find, we have find one as well. Okay. So I can do one thing. I can give find one. Okay. So basically find one command is also there, or else do one thing. I'll write from beginning db dot employee info, and then find one. Okay, this one I'm going to use, and then okay, so basically is I have to give the condition, otherwise it will fetch from the first one. Okay, so find one, what I have to give the department, and I'll give mechanical maybe, and I have to give colon. So see, for this it is fetching only the one record related to this mechanical, and the ID is CF0 CF05. Let's verify that. So the first one is CF05. So basically it is taking from this particular object ID, and it is returning the data related to Akash. Okay, though we have the duplicate records, it is fetching the first one. So this is the way how you can use the find one. Okay, so apart from that, we have in operator, and we have the EQ operator as well. So how to do that? For that, I have to go to VS Code, and maybe I can start a new text file, and maybe I can select as JSON. Okay, so I have to give like db dot employee info dot find. Then I have to give EQ, right? So I'll do one thing. I'll give this, and there I have to give this operator. Okay, EQ. EQ means equal to. Okay, so EQ department, or else I can give as say employee name, and I'm giving as Chandan. Okay, and then I have to give the colon. So basically what it is doing, it is checking which employee has the name like this, and it will return you the result. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, let me execute this in the MongoDB Compass. Okay, So basically is start with dollar symbol considering the field glass. Okay, so I have some issue, so maybe I can try it here itself, employee info, and then find, then I have to give this, and then dollar, so dollar sign we have given, right? So eq, and then we can again give the department, we can give mechanical, and we can give this. So basically department, okay, so it has some issue. Let me see the notation. So so basically eq, we have to give some array of items like employee name, maybe I can give as like Chandan and comma Faizan. Okay, so Faizan, this. Okay, let me try this whether it is working fine or not. So let me verify the command. Okay, so department, so here we have to give, okay, so basically we did one mistake. So I got the mistake. Okay, so I'll show you. So how we can do is db dot employee info and then find. Okay, so after this you have to give a second bracket, you need to start, and then you have to come down, and here you have to give department, department you have to give, and then this, and then again you have to come down, and here you have to give the eq operator, eq operator you have to give mechanical. Okay, and maybe I can give computer, science, computer science. Okay, so basically there is some problem. Let me check this. So eq is already there, department dollar eq, and computer science. So you have kept this under this one two, so it should be fine. Let me do one thing, I will remove this one record also. Okay, yeah, so finally we got the result. So basically this will be the command. Okay, so see, if we give more than one, so that is also should be fine. Computer, science, science. Let me see the last record. Computer, science, science. Or else do one thing. Okay, so basically eq means it is checking the first one. I mean, only one thing you can give, and then based on that you can suppose emp name. Okay, so here you can provide only one name. So like Bimal we are giving, it will fetch the single record. Okay, so the command is to find eq by using eq is this. Okay, so equivalent to or equal to. Okay, so the command is basically, I'll write again. Okay, so I'll write again. The command is db dot employee info dot find, then this, and then this, then you have to come down. So just a second, I think I did something wrong. Yeah, I have to give there, and then you have to come down. So here you have to give first of all the, maybe I can give employee underscore id this time, and then you have to give this, and you have to use the eq, right? So for that you have to open the curly braces and dollar eq equivalent to or equal to, and I have to give 1111. Okay, I have to give this, and this time you'll get the records. So this is the command, guys. So apart from eq we have the in operator as well. So how it is similar to that eq. Okay, So employee id I have to give like in, and then 1111. So in should be an array of elements. So I have to declare a array of elements like this for in operators. Okay. So if I give this, you can see like 1 and 2, both the records has been fetched. Okay. So the command is db dot employee info dot find, and then I have to give this and this. I have to come down. So here I have to give, suppose employee name I am giving. Okay. So employee name, I have to start one second bracket again, and here I have to give the dollar in operator, and I have to assign some array. Okay, so name should be, maybe I'm giving Bimal, and comma I'm giving as Faizan, and at the end we have to give colon. So you can see this time we're getting. Okay, so this is the way, guys, how you can find a document or query from the database. Okay, so you can see like find I have already discussed, find one is already discussed, in operator and eq operator. So all the things I have discussed. So I'm stopping this video here. So if you have any comment or anything, please give a comment in the comment box. I'll be very happy to reply your comment. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel and please share my video, because that will be a motivation for me. And see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.